Jesus, you're like a running chihuahua. Alright. This is my first time using this, so bear with me. Oh shit. Oh, that's right. Yeah. I got a bag anyway. Curly fries. Is that it? Need more fries.
Like a big one.
Yes, this time straight fries.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm doing it. Let's get this started. There's no time for air fryers, so I might as well just wing it. Alright. Yeah, that's 101. Oh, shit, I don't have to grill on. I managed to find a plant-based veggie fingers actually. Excuse me. I've run out of peas and I need greens. Greens. I've got a lot of fries inside the air fryer, so hope this comes out nice and crispy. Alright. Relax guys, it's green. It's plant-based. Not meat. Hence the box is green. Now to boil some water for these Brussels sprouts. I said cabbage, did I earlier? I'm gonna boil some cabbage as well because I ran out. Sorry guys.
Let there be fire.
This one's gonna take about 5 minutes to boil. This one's gonna take about less than 20 minutes. At the same timer for the air fryer, so I am going to sit. Do you want to see a disappointment or when you want to see a what? Yeah, maybe I had to turn out the timer. Some of them have burned.
Thank you.
It's actually not too crunchy. It looks yummy, it's just, yeah, the burn just kind of ruined it. Oh yeah. What's up? We got some good ones, guys. Oh, cool. I'm actually not that disappointed. I highly recommend anyone to get the air fryer. It is one of the kind, the best device that you can ever have in your kitchen. Nice. Let's see what it looks like on the plate. Check it out. Ooh.
Careful, don't burn yourself.
I try not to. All right. Always important to clean. I know you want it. You like my cabbage like no anyone knows. Yeah. It's not fries without salt.
You okay, yeah?
Don't make no point. Woo! Hot. Yeah. Holy shit. You displayed it really well. Oh, carrot.